Qudra is a beautiful oasis on the outskirts of Dubai, set alongside the Marmoom Desert Conservation Reserve. Venture through the rolling sand dunes and you'll find a visual spectacle as you stumble across a multitude of artificial lakes, the most famous being Love Lakes.
The two lakes cover an area of 550,000 square meters, so it's perhaps no surprise they're only visible in their entirety from the sky.
This idyllic location supports Dubai's ecotourism. As well as the desert flora and fauna, this is home to mammals, fishes and over 175 species of birds.
The importance of protecting the endangered species is widely spread all around the world. So here in Dubai, especially in Marmoom area, there are more than 19 species endangered.
Another man-made marvel is the Lake of Expo 2020, celebrating Dubai hosting the first World Expo in the Middle East, Africa and South Asian region. This is the perfect picnic spot and screams Instagrammability. And the smallest of the three lakes is Moon Lake. Shaped like a crescent moon, it's an incredible backdrop for those seeking to settle down and watch the sunset alongside the native Arabian oryx.